Hey there, let's do unboxing of cordless motor portable nail drill machine, and I'm gonna show you how it works and all different features that it has. This nail drill machine is perfect not only for your standard nail drill filing, but also for trimming cuticles, removing hard gel, and shaping. It also works great on both natural and artificial nails. This little user manual booklet has all the information about this product and how to use it and how to troubleshoot. This is a smart desktop charge base. By the way, this chargeable and portable electric nail file can last 8 to 10 hours working time after 3 hours of full charge. There's a 3-core socket which helps you avoid bad contact. It has forward and reverse dual direction rotation for both left-handed and right-handed nail technicians. Has adjustable speed from 0 to 35,000 RPMs. It's fairly quiet and smooth operation. This is a belt clip which makes it super easy and convenient to work with. We'll get it charged like I mentioned earlier. It takes 3 hours for full charge. Here we're removing a hard gel, which turned out to be super easy and smooth. This set comes with 6-piece grinding heads, and to replace one, just hold the handpiece and turn clockwise direction until you hear the click, and then take out the piece, insert another one, and turn it back until you hear the click again, and work your way away. I like it. It's very convenient on the professional side, so recommend.